This is Thomas coming to you from mgmclassiccars.com in Addison, Illinois. Today I have the pleasure of going over this 1969 Chevrolet Nova in a beautiful mirror-like black paint job with black bucket seats. Beautiful Yenko setup, not a real Yenko, guys, okay? The decal does come off the car if you wanted to, but it's got a nice stance. Beautiful setup with the chrome rally wheels, Mickey Thompson radial TA tires, nice chrome, nice bezels throughout the vehicle. Tinted windows, you got the wing windows on the Novas, which make it really cool. Nice front grille, lights all function as you can see there. Nice front chrome bumper. Check out the interior really quick. Paint's beautiful on the car, guys. Bucket seats that recline. We didn't polish nor vacuum the car out yet. It just came in today. Beautiful door jambs, lips, door panels, brand new bucket seats, B&M shifter, nice dash pad, tight headliner, package trays new, back seat looks nice with seat belts. Trunk is super clean, very solid as well. Let's check out now, let's check out the reflection. Just wanted to show you guys. Beautiful. There is some dust on it, and again, we didn't polish the car yet, but we will. And this thing's gonna, it shines like a mirror. Let's check out what's under the hood, because I didn't tell you yet. Here's where you open it, one hand, and you go, pow, boom. Beautiful engine compartment. 454 engine, mild cam, upgraded with headers. Edelbrock Performer 2.0 aluminum intake. 4-wheel power disc brakes, power steering. Bushings have been replaced on the A-arms. It's got a 10-bolt posi in it, and this car is ready to go. Okay, I do have a small punch list that I want to share with you guys. But first off, okay, let's check this out. All right. Even the buzzer works, the door buzzer, key buzzer. Great oil pressure. Volt gauge does not work. We're going to replace that. Heat defrost functions. Everything else does function. Nice dash pad as well. And we're going to tighten up the belts. Whew. Listen to that cam. Listen to that popcorn. Chevrolet Nova, bucket seat, 454, turbo 400 trans, posi unit. It is a 10-bolt, bucket seats, and she is ready to go. If you guys need financing, your credit score between 640 to 700 with about 10% down. If you're 700 and above, I can get you done with no money down as quick as 15 minutes. If you need delivery, go grab a pen. I'm gonna leave my number. You can call me, text me, email me, okay, at 847-848-1850, and I'll get you a quote. Due to the quality of this paint, I would highly recommend to go in an enclosed trailer, because we are in the month of December here, at the end of, December 30th, I think it is today. So get your present for 2021. This is it, guys. You live once. Enjoy it. Why not enjoy with a great investment from mgmclassiccars.com. I have great reviews. You guys can check me out, 100% on eBay as well. Buy from a reputable dealer. I'm telling you everything about the car. I don't need to hide anything. So to that, here's my punch list. My punch list on this 69 Nova is right here. I'm not gonna hide anything. Driver's side brake light bulb needs to be replaced. The wipers don't work, horn doesn't work, and the volt gauge doesn't work. These 4 items on my punch list will be taken care of, okay? The paint is beautiful. It's a mirror finish. Look at all my photos. Underneath is very solid. The frame's been tied in as well. This thing runs, drives, and stops as it looks. Mean. And it works. Everything will function, okay? Buy from a reputable dealer. No one is gonna tell you what's wrong with the cars. I'm telling you, people lie to me all the time, and I'm getting really fed up with it. So when I get the cars in, I fix them and I go through them. I have a lot of gorgeous pieces here, okay? A lot of different makes and models. And every one of them has a punch list. Okay, and that punch list is taken care of by our company. We got Hemi cars, I got LS cars, Cudas, Chevelles, Trans Ams, Ford Mustangs, Trans Am, Bandit cars, supercharged cars, just everything. So take a look at my website at mgmclassiccars.com. My name's Thomas. Guys, I provide the service. I hope you guys like my 69 Nova. I know my price is right where it should be, ready for a new home. Call me, text me, email me, 847-848-1850. Subscribe to my YouTube video. Bottom right-hand corner, click subscribe. Every time I post a video, you're gonna get alerts. Go to my Facebook page if you're on Facebook all the time. Type in MGM Classic Cars. Like my page so you can get updates on your news feed. Call me, text me, email me, 847-848-1850. Thomas, North Shore. The best, the best, the best. mgmclassiccars.com.